Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house on approximately 5,900 square feet corner lot. It is fully enclosed with wall. The location of this house is in Rhyne Park, St. James. The property has 2 entrances, water heater, security system, water tank, a pump, and is being sold furnished. It is just 25 minutes from downtown Montego Bay and is ideal for a multifamily expansion. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 195,000 or Jamaican 30 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.